bolts are in, and she's sitting on there. I got the plugs that go there. My God, though. Engine's sitting in there, bolted down. Cab's in there, bolted down. My God. Hopefully that didn't get broke. For the antenna, this piece got here got bent up in the wreck. Oh, there's a cat over there. Hey, Dot. Kitty, 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 kitty. You ain't even paying attention. Either way. There's a bit of a gap here, but we'll just have to live with that. A few dents, a few scratches. I was going to paint that, but changed my mind. But yeah, it's in here. I just got to hook up that steering and well, I can roll it around a little easier. Put the floor mat back in. But yeah, it's on. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.